Stranger things happen. Arboleda on a spin.
Now, we talked about how this series has gone the way of the bench, but in the starters so far in this game, when you look at Air 21, the combination of Arboleda, De Ocampo, Se, and Cañaleta, all of these started for them, only accounting for 13 points. When you look at the opposite side, Artadi, Caguioa, Valenzuela, and Meng, ang laki ng nakuha nila, a total of 37.
Paul Artadi bangs into Arwin Santos. And Santos will be called for the foul. That's number 4 on Arwin. Ito, makikita ninyo. Salpukan talaga eh. Nagbanggaan.
Both guys going the opposite direction.
And you know what happens when two forces collide?
Yung mas magaang lilipad.
Ganun nga nangyari. Paul Artadi has had his moments in this game. A couple of three-point shots.
Ito yung nababanggit natin kanina in his first 8 conferences in the league. Only 4 out of 40 from three-point range. That's 10%. Tapos bigla na lang nagbago. 10 out of 22, including this game for 45%.
Willie Arboleda picks it up. Wala. Loose ball picked up by Ronald Tubit.
And that has been what you've been saying all the time.
Yeah.
Loose ball picked up by a Barangay Ginebra Gin King.
Loose ball picked up by an Air 21 Express, and Arwin Santos goes up for the slam. (84-72) even doesn't lead here. And the pass off to Chris Alexander. Eric Meng coming out of nowhere to save it. Narito si Mark Caguioa.
And again, that was a loose ball.
Yeah.
Nakakuha na naman Barangay Ginebra. Ang dami nang nakuha ang possession.
And this is the Outlast. 2 minutes. Attention nyo na Outlast. Maintenance-free batteries. Start agad sa Outlast. Malakas. Loose ball. Teka muna, merong foul na tinatawag si referee Cruz.
And as a team, only 12 points para sa Air 21 sa quarter na to.
Alexander for the rebound. There's a near steal by Gary David. Tips one by Mark Caguioa. Chris Pacana. Natapikan sa likod. Pacana hindi makatira. He goes to Caguioa. Against Arboleda. Barangay Ginebra looking good at this juncture. But as we said, we can't count Air 21 out. Not even when the time pressure is on them. But Caguioa adds to the Air 21 woes with 2 free throws to put Ginebra on top by 13. A minute and a half to go. Arwin Santos. 3-point shot. Wala. Gary David goes up.
And, you know, Coach Bob Perasol from the get-go really knew that something was up with his team. In the first quarter, I believe he burned 3 timeouts. In the third quarter, he did the same thing, trying to change the whatever was happening with his team.
Ato mga higara diha sa Kapitolyo sa Misamis Oriental, kang Governor Moreno, Maricel Rivera, Larry Rivera, Popoy Canoy. Ngayong gabi ninyo diha sa Cagayan de Oro.
Joe Chico putting in more ball handlers. He knows that Air 21 is going to put pressure, try to foul. He put in a lot of good free throw shooters at the same time.
Cross court time. Pacana is open. Wala. Arwin Santos for the rebound. Arboleda for 3. Sabi mo nga, no, frustration na rin ito. At ito, maraming busog ngayong gabi dahil makakakain sila ng hapunan. Yung mga pagkatatalo Ginebra, maraming hindi kumakain ng hapunan eh. At naman, ito, panalo kayo. At naman makakabusog, baka maimpacho kayo. Caguioa. Inside to Junti Valenzuela. Back to the basket shot by Junti.
But Ginebra is not going to make 100 points, but they're going to win this ball game.
Only 27 seconds remaining. before we officially call it a tied-up series at 2-all in a best-of-7. There's about 5 seconds separating game clock and shot clock. Mackie Escalona, by the way, is in the hard court, and the Ginebra team is calling for Mackie Escalona to shoot the ball. Chris Pacana will do it. And well, they'll just let the time run down as Barangay Ginebra ties it up, evens up the series at 2 games apiece. So mangyayari rito, mga kaibigan, best of 3. Ang mangyayari, we've got 3 games to go. At kung sino po makakapanalo una ng dalawa, yun po ang magwawagi at magiging kampiyon ng ating Smart Fiesta Conference at si Chris Pacana. Crossing out game or win number 2 for Barangay Ginebra. That's the score